Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Mega Cloud Storage. First of all, in order to do that you have to sign up first. I already signed up in this Mega website. I will just simply click on login and I will enter the email address and as well as password. So I am logged in the Mega, and as you can see here I have already created a folder. I will just simply delete, and I will delete this as well. The advantage of cloud storage of Mega is you can share large files up to 20 GB. Like other websites like Mega, WeTransfer just give you 2 gigabytes of file sharing, but Mega file website gives you 20 GB long big file sharing. So if you want to share that kind of big file, just click on this add plus icon, and as you can hear, you can just simply directly upload all the files, or you can upload the direct folder. Now, for example, I want to create a specific folder. For example, I want to create a folder for my videos. I mean, just click enter, and open the folder and just go to the week. Now, for example, I want to upload this whole file, which is I'm creating all the videos right now. Just simply drag that file into this Mega website. Now, here you can see all the file are being uploaded. So this is how you can use for Google Mega Cloud Storage. You can use for uh, storing your some important folder you want to share with someone else, or you can share upload videos, or you can upload big files to save your storage as well on this Mega Drive. So this is how it Cloud Drive works. If this found the video helpful to you, then you can subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.